Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times, the sun got eclipsed. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon performed the prayer, and the people were also performing the prayer along with him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed an extremely long standing equal to the recitation of the chapter Baqarah, as much time as one takes to recite chapter Baqarah. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then observed an extremely long bowing, then raising the head from the bowing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam observed an extremely long standing, but it was shorter than the first standing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then observed an extremely long bowing, but it was comparatively shorter than the first bowing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then performed prostration, and then after standing erect, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam observed an extremely long standing, but it was shorter than the previous one. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then performed a long bowing, but it was shorter than the previous bowing. Then after raising the head from the bowing, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam observed an extremely long standing, but it was briefer than the previous one. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereafter performed a long bowing which was comparatively briefer than the previous one. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then performed the prostration, and when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam finished the prayer, the sun had become luminous. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, undoubtedly, the sun and the moon are two of Allah's sign. They do not get eclipsed on account of somebody's death or birth. So when you sight an eclipse, remember Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. The companions radiyallahu anhum whereupon submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we witnessed you reaching out to something, standing at your place, and then witnessed you withdrawing your hand. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I saw paradise, so I was about to pick a bunch from it. If I had picked it, you would have kept eating it as long as the world will endure. And I saw hell, and I had never seen such a horrible sight as I saw today. Therein I sighted women in majority. The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, for what reason, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, for ingratitude. It was submitted, do they express ingratitude to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no, they are ingratitude towards their husbands and deny the favor done to them. If you do good to any one of them throughout your life, and then receiving a slight inconvenience from you, she will say, I have never seen any good on your part. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2106.